Blvd Auto Upholstery presents Hummer H1 Custom Interior. This is a unique auto interior project, Humvee. The owner loves his Hummer H1 convertible and wants to upgrade interior, seats, door panels and more. We've removed all seats and cleaned up the interior. Here in Blvd Auto Upholstery we care about your car and do our best. Also, we've removed all door panels. Customer wants to get a custom black leather on it. Next step was preparing and pre-cutting all auto upholstery for front and rear seats. New black leather diamond style covers should fit and revitalize car interior. Our experienced workers are professionals, and they know how to upgrade your interior in the right way. We installed new carpet and then front and rear seats. Well, the interior restoration is done. Let's review the results. Fully restored black seats have stunning diamond design. Door panels were rebuilt completely. Front seats upholstery looks great. This Hummer H1 has a unique catch-eye exterior, and now the interior was fully customized in Blvd Auto Upholstery. If you are looking for a place where to restore your car interior, our upholstery is a #1 in Los Angeles. Have any questions? Please call 310-435-8417.